Can CPS come to my house without a warrant in California? Well, here's the thing. Generally speaking, CPS, they are a state actor. They are government workers. So therefore, they cannot do something called an unreasonable searches and seizures pursuant to the Fourth Amendment. But they can't just do unreasonable search and seizure unless they have a warrant that's supported by probable cause. Now, there are exceptions on where they can, I guess, enter your home or do a particular conduct. And one of the exceptions is if there is a particular emergency, imminent emergency, risk of harm to the particular child. They can't necessarily enter your home because they're not in the position, they're not in the job of investigating you as for a crime or anything like that. But their job is to investigate this child abuse and or neglect. So there may be certain circumstances where they could enter your home and remove that particular child in an exigent circumstance. Very rare. Another situation would be if you provide consent. That is by far the most and the only way that typically, based off of dealing with CPS, is by getting consent. Oftentimes, parents will just give the consent away, allowing them to enter the home and communicate with them. So usually, they don't necessarily need a warrant to just come in there if you give them consent. So the best thing to do is to understand what your rights are, to understand what their abilities are, is you want to make sure you just contact California CPS defense lawyer. At Shaw through Law Firm, we're here to help and guide you and inform you what to expect. But just know, you consent, they don't need a warrant.